Welcome back to Backyard Bachelor, episode 8. So we are continuing with the trend of January healthy eating. Before most of us go back to our old eating habits, or in some case, new habits to explore and keep pushing forward. Yes, that is an allusion to next week. It's going to be boozy, rich, and sweet, just in time for Valentine's Day. In the meantime, we are making horyatiki, or Greek salad. It's vibrant, it's colorful, it's most importantly delicious. And this time I've included the ingredients on the right hand corner. Take a look, pause, whatever you need to do. And first we are going to peel a cucumber, slice it in half, remove the seeds with a spoon. And once that it's peeled and de-seeded, we are going to cut it down straight the middle and then dice into tiny cubes and place into the adjoining bowl. Following up with the bell peppers, going to do the same thing. Cut the bell peppers into little strands and then dice into nice cube pieces as well. Kind of want to keep it nice, simple, easy. And with the onion, it's the most important thing about cutting an onion is you got to start from the stem. It's the key point. For me, it's the focal point. And we want to slice it down the middle. And with the back of the knife, we are going to peel back the first layer of the onion, and then we're going to proceed by cutting it horizontally and then alongside the strands, and then follow it up with dicing from there. And I'm only going to need about maybe a third to half of an onion this time, and we'll save the rest for later. Lastly, we are going to have and quartered some cherry tomatoes, add the black olives, and feta cheese. And basic dressing, we don't really need much. We are going to add some salt, pepper, olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette, and oregano, just to kind of bring it all together. You can't have a Greek dish without oregano. And we are going to gently toss, and there you have it. The perfect Greek salad. I'm going to go enjoy this off camera, but if you like the video, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe, and check out the other stuff I've been producing. Next Tuesday, I've mentioned this already, we are going to feature the first boozy brunch of the channel, starring rum. I'm very excited. I've been working on this for the last couple weeks, and in the meantime, see you next Tuesday. Yamas!